Look carefully at this image. There are two paths, one officially designed and constructed, and another created naturally by people. Which one actually works better? The paved walkway represents design intent. Someone planned its geometry, selected its materials, defined its edges, and decided how people were expected to move through this space. But every design contains assumptions. Designers predict where people will enter, where they will go, and which route they are most likely to follow. Once the space becomes operational, real users enter the picture, and their behavior may be completely different from what was originally predicted. Instead of following the longer paved route, many users simply take the shortest and most convenient path between their origin and destination. As hundreds of people repeat the same movement, the grass gradually disappears and an informal pathway begins to emerge. This is called a desire path. A desire path is an unplanned route created by repeated human movement. It reveals where people naturally prefer to walk, rather than where designers expected them to walk. This is where user experience becomes important. UX is not simply about how a space looks. It includes how easily, comfortably, and intuitively people can actually use it. Design describes what we intended to create. User experience tells us what happens after people begin interacting with that design in the real world. For architects and planners, this difference is critical. A circulation system may appear perfectly resolved on paper but still fail to respond to actual patterns of human movement. That is why good design requires observation. Study where people walk, where they stop, what they avoid, and which routes they repeatedly choose. Even after construction, designers can learn from users. Post-occupancy observation can reveal problems that drawings, simulations, and design assumptions may have missed. The goal is not to force people to adapt to design. Wherever possible, design should understand human behavior and respond intelligently to actual user needs. So remember, designers create spaces, but users reveal whether those spaces truly work. Great design begins with intention, but improves by listening to human behavior.